When it comes to selecting windows for your Florence home, you want a style that not only enhances your home's aesthetic appeal but also meets your functional needs. With a wide variety of window styles available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. Whether you're renovating an old home, building a new one, or simply upgrading your windows, the right choice can make all the difference in terms of energy efficiency, natural light, ventilation, and overall curb appeal. Florence's mild climate and Mediterranean-inspired architecture provide the perfect backdrop for a wide range of window styles. Here's a look at some of the best window styles for homes in Florence, combining beauty and functionality to enhance your home. Double-hung windows. Classic style with easy operation. Double-hung windows are one of the most traditional and popular choices for homes in Florence, particularly for those with classic or colonial-style architecture. These windows feature two sashes that slide up and down vertically, allowing for easy operation and versatility in how they are opened. Aesthetic appeal. Double-hung windows have a timeless look that works well in a variety of home styles, from traditional to contemporary. Their simple design and sleek profile make them a perfect choice for homeowners looking to add a touch of elegance to their home without overwhelming the exterior design. Functionality. Double-hung windows are ideal for ventilation because they can be opened from both the top and the bottom, allowing hot air to escape from the top while cool air enters from the bottom. They are also easy to clean, as both sashes can tilt inward for convenient access to the exterior glass. Casement windows. Modern and efficient. If you're looking for a more modern window style with superior energy efficiency, casement windows are a great option. These windows are hinged on one side and open outward like a door, offering a full, unobstructed view of the outdoors. Aesthetic appeal. Casement windows are sleek and stylish, providing a contemporary look that pairs well with modern and minimalist home designs. Their narrow frames maximize the view, making them perfect for rooms where you want to let in as much natural light as possible. Functionality. Casement windows provide excellent ventilation because they open fully, allowing for a cross breeze that can naturally cool your home. They also create an airtight seal when closed, which helps improve energy efficiency by keeping cool air inside during the summer and warm air in during the winter. Sliding windows. Space-saving and easy to use for homes with limited space or those that prefer a more modern aesthetic, sliding windows are an excellent choice. These windows open horizontally rather than vertically, making them ideal for areas where you don't want windows protruding out. Aesthetic appeal. Sliding windows have a clean, sleek design that complements both modern and contemporary homes. Their minimalist appearance is ideal for homeowners who want a simple yet stylish window style that doesn't overpower the rest of the decor. Functionality. Sliding windows are easy to operate, with one panel sliding over the other. This makes them great for spaces where opening and closing windows could be cumbersome, such as in kitchens or bedrooms. They also allow for excellent ventilation and provide a wide view of the outdoors, making them perfect for rooms with scenic views. Bay or bow windows. Adding charm and space. For homeowners looking to add more charm and visual appeal to their home, bay or bow windows are a fantastic option. These windows extend outward from the home, creating a beautiful architectural feature that adds character and extra space to your interior. Aesthetic appeal. Bay and bow windows are perfect for traditional and Victorian-style homes. Their unique structure not only enhances the exterior of your home but also adds a dramatic focal point to your living space. These windows create a sense of space and openness in any room, making them a great choice for living rooms, dining rooms, or bedrooms. Functionality. Bay and bow windows allow for panoramic views of the outdoors and bring in more natural light, making your space feel more expansive. They also create additional space inside your home, providing room for a cozy window seat or extra storage. Picture windows. Maximizing views. If you live in an area of Florence with stunning outdoor views, a picture window is a perfect choice. These large, fixed windows are designed to provide an unobstructed view of your surroundings without the distraction of window frames. Aesthetic appeal. Picture windows are ideal for homeowners who want to showcase breathtaking views of gardens, landscapes, or cityscapes. They offer a clean, modern look that can make a room feel more open and connected to the outside world. Functionality. While picture windows do not open, they provide excellent energy efficiency because they are sealed tightly and don't allow drafts or air leakage. Picture windows are often used in living rooms or great rooms, where you want a large, unobstructed view but don't need to open the window for ventilation. Arched windows. Elegant and unique. If you want to add a touch of elegance to your Florence home, consider arched windows. These windows have a distinctive, curved shape that works well with traditional, Mediterranean, or even modern home designs. Aesthetic appeal. Arched windows offer a unique and stylized look that stands out in any room. Whether installed over a doorway, as a feature window, or in combination with other window styles, they add a dramatic and refined element to your home. Functionality. While arched windows are often used for decorative purposes, they can be combined with other window styles, like casement or double-hung windows, to offer both ventilation and aesthetic appeal. Conclusion. Choosing the right window style for your Florence home. When it comes to selecting windows for your Florence home, it's important to consider both aesthetic and functional needs. From the timeless elegance of double-hung windows to the contemporary appeal of casement windows, each window style offers unique benefits for your home. Whether you're focused on enhancing your home's energy efficiency, improving ventilation, or adding charm, there is a window style to match your preferences. Partner with a trusted window installation expert to select the best windows that will elevate your home's beauty, comfort, and functionality for years to come.